When it comes to making a great first impression, your home's front door plays a bigger role than you might think. It's the centerpiece of your entryway, greeting guests and setting the tone for your entire property. For Clermont homeowners, where sunshine, lush greenery, and vibrant neighborhoods highlight outdoor living, a new door can instantly elevate curb appeal while adding value and style. If your current door looks worn or outdated, here's why investing in a new one is one of the smartest upgrades you can make. The entryway sets the stage. Your front entry is the first thing people notice when they approach your home. A faded, chipped, or outdated door can give the impression of neglect, even if the rest of your property is beautifully maintained. On the other hand, a stylish, freshly installed door adds character and charm, making your home look cared for and inviting. In Clermont's competitive housing market, curb appeal is especially important. A striking front door can set your home apart and create an immediate positive impression for visitors and potential buyers. A style statement that reflects you. Replacing your door isn't just about functionality, it's also about expressing your personal style. Modern doors come in a wide range of materials, colors, and designs that let you customize your home's look. Bold colors like red, blue, or black make a statement and add vibrancy to your exterior. Wood finishes create a warm, traditional charm perfect for classic Clermont neighborhoods. Sleek fiberglass or steel designs give a modern, polished look that complements contemporary homes. The right door can completely transform your home's facade, giving it personality and flair. Enhancing architectural character. A new door can highlight and enhance your home's architectural style. For example, a craftsman-style home pairs beautifully with a solid wood door featuring glass panels and detailed trim. A modern property shines with a minimalist steel or fiberglass design featuring clean lines. Traditional homes benefit from elegant paneled doors or arched designs that emphasize timeless charm. By choosing a door that matches your home's architecture, you create harmony and visual appeal that elevates the entire exterior. Improving energy efficiency. Beyond looks, a new door also boosts curb appeal through performance. Outdated doors often have cracks, warping, or poor seals that allow air leaks, which can lead to higher utility bills. Modern doors are designed with insulated cores, durable weather stripping, and energy-efficient glass inserts. Not only do these features make your Clermont home more comfortable, but they also show potential buyers that your property is well maintained and cost-efficient, an attractive selling point. Adding decorative glass and hardware. Today's doors offer design features that go beyond a simple slab. Decorative glass panels bring natural light into your entryway while creating visual interest from the outside. Hardware options such as stylish handles, knockers, and hinges add the finishing touches that complete your home's look. These small but impactful details can elevate your home's exterior from ordinary to eye-catching, giving you a door that functions as both a security feature and a design focal point. Boosting resale value. Curb appeal directly affects home value, and replacing your front door is one of the most cost-effective upgrades you can make. According to real estate experts, a new front door consistently ranks among the top renovations for return on investment. For Clermont homeowners, this means you not only enjoy the immediate beauty of your new entryway but also reap financial benefits if you decide to sell your home in the future. Conclusion: a small change with big impact. Sometimes the simplest upgrades make the biggest difference. By replacing your front door, you can dramatically improve your Clermont home's curb appeal, reflect your personal style, and add lasting value. Whether you choose a bold modern design, a classic wood finish, or an energy-efficient fiberglass door, the right choice can transform your home's first impression. For Clermont homeowners, a new door is more than an entryway. It's an investment in beauty, comfort, and long-term value.